table of contents that you should have on your final document: executive summary, introduction, background, or this could be also literature review. Actually, the data and methodology, so which data have you used, an explanation of the data and the methodology that you decided to apply. Then the results, comparisons, discussions, if you have. You can change the titles to better fit what you're actually doing, conclusions. And then data availability on GitHub, acknowledgments, biography and bibliography, and appendix. What happens with your tables and analysis? So you put the very, very important one on the actual document. If there is one that has too many data, you normally put in appendix if it's very big. And if not, you don't put code, you don't put too much information of the data. You leave everything, all the detail to your GitHub. So here is an example. So I'm going to visit my one GitHub, Manuel Gadi, of a good GitHub for showing the project, for showing in a capstone. So crypto safe haven. What I have here is, well, I have my Python code, I have my data, and I have a little README. And the README explains the structure of the GitHub. So to get the best out of the GitHub for your capstone final project, so you put everything there and you put a README. It's very important that the person that is reading, you put the link of your GitHub on the data and code availability,